Welcome to Hire IT People, Inc. Please visit us at hireitpeople.com/jobs to view our new requisitions on a daily basis. You can also follow us at Hire IT People on your favorite social platforms. Today's job ID is 30973. The job location is in St. Louis, Missouri. The candidate should ideally have the following skills: minimum 7 years of IT experience, minimum 3 years hands-on experience working on Hadoop, Spark, expertise in writing complex SQLs, procedures, basic knowledge on Python is a must. Ideally, the candidate should have experience of 6 years. For the detailed job description, please follow the link in the description of the video. Thank you for your time and have a good day. Hire IT People, Inc. Please visit us at hireitpeople.com/jobs to view our new requisitions on a daily basis. You can also follow us at Hire IT People on your favorite social platforms.